Rolling. Why is rolling so awesome for you? Is because it moves your body, it moves your lymph, your blood, your energy. And that, it just simply makes you feel good. That's why Hippocrates said such a long time ago, movement is medicine. And what is one of the first movement patterns that we do? Rolling, like little kids. So get on your back, watch the video, start rolling, and enjoy. Start on your butt, feet on the ground, grab the backs of your knees, and then just rock like an egg. Roll to where your head lightly touches the ground, then your feet. This is very good for your spine. And as you do it, try and get smooth with your movement. After you've done that for 30, 40 seconds, then you're going to look, turn your whole head over one shoulder to your right, touch your right foot, then you're going to look to the left and touch your left foot. Touch and push off. Look left, touch your left, and push off. As you improve, you don't have to hold the back of your legs anymore. And then you can roll both feet. And then you can roll all the way up. Now I go forward. And I roll backwards. And that is the baseline of learning how to roll forward and backwards.